Good morning, student. As in continuation with the same topic, trait approach. So another theory which comes under the trait approach is five-factor model of personality. It is also known by the term Big Five Factor. Now the five-factor model of personality represents the complexity of the human behavior across culture. It explains the human behavior, how people tend to be in different culture. This model was developed by Robert and Paul. Both the psychologists work together in order to know how human behavior tend to be seen across the culture. Now the first trait that they have talked about is openness to experience. This is the first personality type. So the people who come under this, who tend to be score high on this factor, they are imaginative, curious, open to new ideas, and interested to know about other culture. It means they like to experience new things in their life, and they also like to know about the other culture, how their tradition is. Now second type of personality that they have talked about is extraversion. So the extraversion trait would be socially active, assertive, outgoing, talkative, fun loving, and opposite of it would be shy. Third they have talked about is agreeableness. Now this factor characterizes people who are helpful, cooperative, friendly, caring, and nurturing. It means if you would tell them that this thing has to be done in this manner, they would agree to your plan. Now opposite of agreeableness would be self-centered and hostile, the people who does not think about other people, so they are only self-oriented about their own self. And the fourth that they have talked about is neuroticism. Now the people who are high on this factor, they are emotionally unstable. They become anxious at a short period of time, worried, fearful. They easily get irritated, and they are hypertensive also at times. Now opposite of neuroticism would be well adjusted. Now fifth they have talked about is conscientiousness. Now conscientiousness, the people who are high on this factor, they are achievement oriented, responsible, hardworking, and self-controlled. Now it means if they want something in their life, they try to focus on their goal, as this represent the high aspect of this factor. And if you compare with the low, the people who are impulsive, opposite would be they are easily get irritated, or they are unable to focus on a particular thing for a longer period of time. So these are the five-factor model of personality, which represent the behavior of people across the culture. So children, kindly note down this in your notebook.